Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix missing media feature pack error in Windows N version. The first thing you can do is go to your settings and look for your system specifications. On your Google Chrome, go to Google and search for Microsoft Media Feature Pack. Wait for it to load, then find download Windows 10 Media Feature Pack. And as what you can see, we have it here. Just tap on it, scroll down a little bit, then select the edition and click on the link of KB3145500. After choosing, just download the media pack based on your own laptop or PC version.